Have you ever known someone, a client, a friend, a family member, or it could be yourself, that's just getting stuck and having trouble making progress? It could be progress with a health goal, a success goal, or potentially even a positive relationship that you're struggling with. Hi, my name is Emily Ward, and I'm a certified BEST practitioner. Bioenergetic synchronization technique, and this technique was created by Dr. M.T. Morter Jr. through a period of about 40 years. This technique is a hands-on, non-forceful technique, and it helps to remove interference so your body can go back to normal, and then it can move from the survival mode into healing. The techniques include the BEST release, the emotional BEST, physical BEST, as well as several other techniques called the Morter Empower March and Morter Release. If you would like more information on the technique, please contact the number on the screen, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you.